To use Empower with Cash App, start by downloading the Empower app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Empower is a mobile banking app that allows you to manage your finances and track your spending. Once you have downloaded the app, sign up for an account and link your Cash App account to Empower. Linking your Cash App account to Empower is straightforward. Open the Empower app and navigate to the Accounts section. Click on Add Account and select Cash App from the list of available banks and financial institutions. You will be prompted to enter your Cash App login credentials to authorize the link. Once your Cash App account is linked to Empower, you can start tracking your spending and managing your finances. Empower allows you to categorize your transactions, set budgets, and receive alerts when you go over budget. You can also use Empower to track your savings goals and receive investment advice. To get the most out of Empower, make sure to regularly review your account activity and update your budget as needed. You can also use Empower to track your credit score and receive alerts when there are changes to your credit report. Empower also offers a feature called Automated Savings, which allows you to set aside a portion of your income into a savings account. This feature is useful for building an emergency fund or saving for a specific goal. In addition to tracking your spending and managing your finances, Empower also offers investment advice and allows you to invest in a variety of assets, such as stocks and bonds. The app also offers a feature called Bill Tracking, which allows you to track your bills and receive alerts when a payment is due. Overall, using Empower with Cash App is a great way to take control of your finances and start building wealth. By linking your Cash App account to Empower and using the app to track your spending and manage your finances, you can make progress towards your financial goals and achieve financial stability.